Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and it's Bitcoin crash update time. Yesterday we got some pretty strong bearish momentum again. Actually, yesterday evening already, which is yesterday kind of heading into the night, at least in my time zone. So I wanted to do a full update on that, kind of go over what happened and what's next. Because obviously we've been bearish for quite some time now. We've been mostly bearish, you could say, since the beginning of May. We had a little bit of recovery at the end of May, and in June we also had some bullish days. But overall the direction has been down. So I just wanted to do a full update on that. I think some very interesting buy areas are coming up. And for the long term, these areas are getting more and more interesting. Bitcoin, in my eyes, right now is one of the safest investments there is, if you're talking about all different investments. With the best risk reward. So long term it doesn't move me that much, to be fair. But we'll talk about everything you need to know. Before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, because I'm still trading in these market circumstances, also still making money. So if you want to join that, make sure to check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. But now onto Bitcoin. So the problem is that we look on the daily time frame to start off with some technicals, because there are some fundamentals we need to talk about as well. But to start off with the technicals, we actually got a daily bearish breakout below this level right here at around 25,250, which has the 200 EMA, the 0.5 FIB, and it's just a normal key level. So that's not great, and that leads me to believe that we'll actually see some more bearish momentum, unless we are able to break above 25,300 all of a sudden right now. But I don't think that's the most likely scenario. I mean, right now, to kind of make that bridge between the fundamentals, if you take a look at the dollar strength index, you can see that it's bearish, but on the very short term it's bullish. So overall it's neutral, and we'll still have to see if the dollar strength index really, I think short term it will be bullish, all right? So that will cause some more bearish pressure for Bitcoin, and then at some point of time it is possible that we'll get in a consolidation and that we'll get some more bearish momentum, and that lines up well with some potential buy areas I have for Bitcoin. So right now, technically and fundamentally, I think it lines up very well that we had this bearish breakout through 25,250. And that will right now continue dropping down to at least this level right here. And I think that's the first level which I think actually has potential. And that's between 24,000 and 24,250. First of all, 24,000 psychological support level. We got the 0.618 FIB, which is stronger than the 0.5 FIB. And apart from that, we also get this beautiful trend line right here. See that trend line, which is actually lining up there. So that's an area where I am considering buying Bitcoin. I will only make the decision once the price gets close, right? Because you could have a crash, and if you then have set the order, then it hits stop loss immediately. So it's always better to kind of wait with orders like that, but that's obviously only really possible if you trade full time and you can monitor the charts. But that's what I expect for now. I expect some more bearish momentum. I think overall the outcome of yesterday, the interest rate decision and the whole press conference around that, I think overall the outcome of that wasn't too bearish, but it does look like this bearish momentum that we got over the last 12 hours was partially manipulated as well. Like moves like these are they just seem very manipulated. And since then we've actually been holding those levels fairly well, right? So we'll see. I still think, like I said, the overall direction is down because bearish manipulation is also still bad news. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, this is my take on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.